Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78% fib right now. The trend is 100% down on this time frame, and there's a chance that this just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs on the daily. Probably the odds are much better that that is what's going to happen. But I definitely see the possibility of this being like either an A or a one, this being a pullback like a B or a two, and then it goes up and makes a C, and then down again, or maybe it makes a three and just goes up and gives us a break of structure. So I definitely do see that as a possibility, but you need to be a little bit careful with that kind of a speculation because that is extremely counter trend. And a lot of times when your analysis is very counter trend, it ends up being wrong. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a break of structure to the upside today on the 1 hour time frame, and it definitely happened on the fib level. So I think we have some sort of a move to the upside starting. Whether the move to the upside is just a pullback within a downtrend, or whether it ends up making a brand new impulsive move to the upside is the question we're going to have to ask ourselves. If this really is like a wave C of B, or possibly a wave C of 2, like I was explaining on the daily, it definitely could start a brand new impulsive move to the upside today at the news, or maybe even before the news. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.